Hey guys, so today I'm working on this old 1990 Ford F250. It's got the four-wheel drive and the IDI. And what I need to do is way down in there is a rag joint on the steering box. So way down here that I need to pull out. I also have this joint here, pressure line. I can't even see this pressure line off the pump because that was leaking excessively. Yeah, I'm gonna get this taken apart. See if I can set up the camera so I can actually make a full-length video this time. But yeah, let's get to it. Of course, it's larger size. Okay, what the heck? Okay, guys, you know those free set of Pittsburgh wrenches that Harbor Freight gives you sometimes? Look at these. This is a 14, super cheaply made. On the other side, it says I3. I thought that was a 13. It's the first one I picked up was a 13. It says the same thing on the other side. So this has got to be not 9/16. Bigger. I don't have bigger than that right now. Maybe I do. Let me see. Don't have the right size tool, so I get to walk up to my truck to go get it. It's a lot of stuff to work on here, I'll tell you that much. Okay. Yeah, I got the pump loose for the most part. I've got that bottom swing bolt out. This guy's coming a little rough. But he's coming. I should have one more hose on this thing, a return line, but I can't exactly see it from where I'm at. Oh, come on. Maybe this van. Maybe. Oh, yeah. There we go. And the bolt. So assembly should pop out here now. there's the return line. And that's what's holding it on now. Alright, give me a minute. Alright. One nice pair of pliers later. Ready to go off. There's a wrench. Come on, mother. Alright, that was sweet. Got that guy off. I just got to get him out of here. Of course, that guy's all loose too. There we go. Pump is out. Alright. Yeah, this reservoir leaking too. Barely on there. I think we got a pump rebuild kit I gotta pick up. Alright. And now, where we want it to be. And that's our negative. Let's see, this guy should slide out somewhere here. So much damn grease on everything. Kinda hard to tell. Ooh, that. What is that? That negative cable just split. Nice. Not what we're here for, though. See this guy. Okay. There's our joint coming into view. There it is. And this, oh no. This, of course, that is just, oh, fuck me. I'm concerned with this, that it's not a rag joint, that it's a steering box. Oh no, that's even worse. We'll have to see. I'm gonna get it out of here. Damn it. It's a bummer. So much damn grease everywhere, though. It's hard to tell right now. Okay. I gotta go clean up. I'm gonna take this pump with me. About to walk away, and then I realized Might as well pull this rag joint out as much as I can before I go clean up. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, it just slid right out real easy. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of play in there. Yeah, look at that. It's barely holding on. How do you come off the rest of the way? I know you like to slide in without there. Come on. Give me something good. Oh, can I just pull it all the way in? See, bolts there. I think the bolts would be right here. Don't see that either. Right. Maybe I should just pull that off over there. Get this out of the car, truck, whatever. Don't look like Torx. Don't look like Hex. What is going on? Guess maybe I break that one loose and find out. So much grease. And 16ths. Alright, moved on over here now. I'm gonna pull this guy off right here. Oh, not 9/16, what the hell? What is going on? It's not 1/2 inch, it's not 9/16, so what the fuck is it? God damn, I hate grease. Really need a freaking phone mount. Alright guys, so I just had to take this off from here. The rivets were a little stubborn, so I did have to heat the side and pound them out. Well, this is looking good. I just gotta put the other shaft, or what's it called? This thing on the other side. Hopefully it fits. Should be good though. Looks pretty good. Now, this spring that's supposed to hold it into the other shaft is broken. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to source that or what. But technically, this could go back in. I do still have a pump to rebuild. So, let this pump do some soaking over here. It's the other half of that shaft. Looking good. There's the reservoir. Got a new O-ring kit for this whole pump. So, got this guy rebuilt. Fresh O-rings. New front seal. We got, if you watch my short, I rebuilt this guy down here. I actually had to make a spring for inside. anti-rattle spring. Still pretty greasy, but we're gonna throw everything back together now. Hopefully she don't leak. Right, so we're on about a third day on this job. Rebuilt pump is in, new O-rings, got some fluid in there. I did have to buy cable ends. The cable ends on that side were not working right. And right now we're trying to start her, but she's not wanting to start. So I guess I'll give her a crank on camera. I think we're gonna go get some starting fluid and we'll be back.